OpenClaw. Run it 24/7 on your local computer or on your cloud server or even no-code setup for beginners. You can ask that AI agent to perform tasks for you 24/7 and provide guidance or instruction through Telegram, Slack, Discord, or even WhatsApp. So it's like an AI employee working for you 24/7. Using Ollama, you can run OpenClaw for free. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can set up OpenClaw locally on your computer, running 24/7, then how to host it on a remote server using a dedicated VPS in hosting a hosting provider. And finally, there's an alternative option which requires no programming language, and you can get started with just 3 steps. Connect to Google, connect to your bot, and your AI bot goes live. As simple as that. Even while setting up on your own server, I'll take you through how to create user, how to install packages, how to install OpenClaw, install Ollama, and connect it. So you can run this setup completely for free. And I'll provide all the guide, all the instruction in the description below. Even if you're an absolute beginner, you should be able to do this. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. OpenClaw is a powerful tool. It can automatically clear your inbox, send emails, manages your calendar, check you in for flights, all through WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat you already use. But the question is how you can run this 24/7 on your local computer or cloud server or fully managed server. So first, a completely free local computer. You can run it either on your personal working station where you use on a regular basis. I would recommend a dedicated computer specifically to run this. You can use Mac Mini, or in my case, I'm using DGX Spark. Same like Mac Mini, but dedicated for running AI workload. I have provided the step-by-step guide on my website. So just 5 steps. Step number 1, creating user on your computer. First step, open terminal from your computer. Then inside the terminal, I'm going to log into my other computer using my username and the IP address. So this is running locally in my own network. To find the IP address of the other computer, you need to log into that computer and type IPADDR or ifconfig. That will give you the IP address, local IP address. Generally, it'll start with 192.168. So add that IP address like this, and I'm going to log in like this and click enter. Then you need to enter your password. I've entered my password, and now I am logged in to my DGX Spark machine. Next, I'm going to log into the root. Currently, I'm logged in as Mervin, but I want to have full privilege. So I'm going to type sudo su and then click enter. Now you can see I am in my root user. So first step, creating the user. I'm just copying the command as it's written here, then going to my machine and then pasting it there and clicking enter. Now it'll ask for the password because we are going to create a user called OpenClaw, and I'm going to assign a password, retyping the password, and that step is done, creating the user. Step number 2, installing the required packages. So this is the only step to install packages such as Node, Python version. So copying it, and then I'm going to clear it and pasting it here. Now it's installing the required package, and that is done. So if you want to clear the screen, you can just type CLEAR and it'll automatically clear your screen. Step number 3, installing OpenClaw. So I got the command here, npm install OpenClaw latest. So I'm just copying the whole command. This automatically sets all the required permissions and then pasting it here and then clicking enter. Now it's installing OpenClaw. There are a few configurations to set up OpenClaw. The reason is because whenever you turn off your computer and turn on your computer, OpenClaw will be off. To constantly enable, to automatically make the OpenClaw start by itself, we need to write a config. So that's called systemd service. So nothing to worry about if you don't know. Just copy this command and paste it in your terminal. So as you can see here, OpenClaw already installed, and I'm going to clear just for you to clearly view it, and then pasting that config and clicking enter. Now we have added the config which will automatically start OpenClaw even when you shut down the computer and restart it. This is important. Next, configuring OpenClaw. We need to set up Telegram or Discord or Slack. To set that up, you need to run OpenClaw onboard. So I'm just copying this command and pasting it here and then clicking enter. Now you can see usual OpenClaw onboarding process. I understand this is powerful and inherent risky. So yes, onboarding mode, quick start. For the first setup, it'll ask what provider you want to use. I'm going to quickly choose OpenAI and set OpenAI API key use existing, you can just type XXX, just nothing, because we are going to run Ollama. But in case if you want to use OpenAI, you can just use this, or you got multiple providers which you can choose from. But in our case, we want to run it for free. So we are going to choose Ollama. So as a default setup, I'm going to do this. Then default model. Now we need to set up Telegram bot. Whenever I send a message from Telegram, I want the agent to perform a task. And you got multiple options here, such as WhatsApp, Discord, Google Chat, Slack, and much more. But I'm going to focus now on Telegram. It's one of the easiest way to create a. So open your Telegram and you need to go to bot father. If you can't find it, just search for it at bot father and then click. So to the bot father, I'm going to type /new bot and then click enter. That'll ask what is the name of the bot you want to name it as. I'm going to say Mervin Praisen AA bot. Then I need to provide a username for that. Mervin Praisen AA bot as the username as well. And now it got created and I've got the token here. So just going to copy this token. This is very important. This is the same procedure whenever you want to create any bot. So I'm just copying the selected text and coming to my terminal there, clicking Telegram and entering my token here and then clicking enter. Now it's configuring. Configure skills now. No. Enable hooks. Skip for now. Do you want to hatch your bot? Do it this later. We'll do that later. So now this is done. So once after doing that, we are going to enable and start the service by running this commands. So just copying it and pasting it here and then clicking enter. Now you can see it's active and it's running. So after this, just press Q to quit. Now it's quit. Only 2 more steps. So step number 4, install Ollama. If you don't know about Ollama, you can easily run multiple models locally on your computer. Download it. So you can see all the installation steps here, but I've already added that in my blog. So I'm just copying the steps to install Ollama and I'm going to download Minstrel 3 3B model. Just copying the configurations and installation step and run it here and then clicking enter. Now it's downloading Ollama. Now it's downloading Minstrel 3 and that's downloaded now. Should I proceed modifying the settings? Yes. Launch OpenClaw now? No. That's it. So we have successfully installed Ollama and configured with the model Minstrel 3B. Next, I need to get the URL to open the UI. For that, I'm going to copy this command. So the main command is OpenClaw dashboard. So that is the main command. So just copying the code here and pasting it here and then clicking enter. This is just to restart Claude bot and you can see the URL, dashboard URL here. So I'm not going to open it now because there's one more step. Step number 5, connect to OpenClaw from my own computer. Currently, as you know, OpenClaw is currently running on my another computer, that is DGX Spark. So I want to connect from my computer, own computer, to DGX Spark. And currently OpenClaw is running 24/7. To do that, I'm going to open another new terminal. This is called SH Tunnel. Do not need to worry in regards to the terminology. It's same like proxy. So just copy the command and you need to replace your server IP address with your own IP address. That is the IP address of the other computer. So in my case, it is .182. So, and then click enter. That's it. It's done. Do not close this terminal and also the previous terminal. Keep that running for now. And now going back to my previous terminal, we already saw there's a dashboard URL. So I'm going to open this localhost, clicking on this, and that will automatically open this window. So here is the OpenClaw running for me 24/7. So here, if I ask what is my base model, it's going to say Ollama Minstrel 3B. And to configure my Telegram bot, you can see there's the URL for my bot. So I can click that and I can start clicking this icon and you got the message here. Now it's asking me to configure. It's asking me to type this command on my terminal. So I'm going to copy this command. So here I can ask in the chat itself to run this command. So run this in your terminal to verify. So pasting that pairing request and enter. So now when you type hi in Telegram, you can see the response here. Now I can say, what is your base model? So it's giving a name of its own. You can also see the same response in the chat window. This is really nice. Next, I want to show you how you can set this up on a remote cloud server. So you can go to Hostinger and we got VPS hosting and you can sign in. So once after you do that, I'll also put the link in the description for you to sign in and you will have a dashboard like this. And here I've installed Ubuntu and you can see the root access. So I can get the password from here as well. So same as before, just log into this machine with the password. As you can see, now I'm in Hostinger hosting. You can see my spec. It's important to purchase a VPC based on what model you want to run. Bigger the model, higher spec is required. So the steps are exactly the same. Just copy step by step and paste it in the remote server. I have done that. Now the final step is your IP address. So this is the only change. So you're going to add your IP address, that is your remote hosting IP address. In my case, this is my IP address. Just I need to replace with that and I'm done. As simple as that. Now the final step I want to show you, that is no code and it's completely managed. So this is, you are managing completely locally on your computer. Cloud servers means it's partially managed. You need to buy a hosting from remotes and you need to configure yourself. But what if the server is automatically managed and also OpenClaw is also automatically managed? You don't need to do anything. Just get started with 3 simple steps. That's when we have host AA bot. Your AA bot live in less than 60 seconds. So I'm going to show you. Just click get started. 3 simple steps. Sign into Google, connect to your bot, and your AA bot goes live in 30 seconds after that. So I'm going to sign into Google. I'm signed in now. Now I'm going to choose Telegram. So that's what we set up now. We already got our Telegram ID, that is the bot ID with the bot token, which we pasted earlier. So I'm going to paste the same thing here. And now save and connect. Then I agree, create my bot. Now it's setting up. 4 simple steps, setting up your bot, and your bot is live. So going to open my dashboard, and here is the dashboard. You can see, you can directly open the chat. So the chat window is immediately ready. You don't need to do anything. Now if you want to connect Telegram, it's another simple feature. So we have already added our bot token. Now the next step is just to say hi from the bot which you've just created. And that will give you the code. Even at this time, we're not going to copy and paste any code. So if you go to the pairing tab, so here automatically the requests come in channel pairing request. I'm going to approve it. How simple is this? And now it has been approved. Now I can directly chat with my AI employee from my Telegram app. I'm going to say hi, and it's now typing, as you can see here, how I can assist you today. That is brilliant. Even in the chat, if you open, you can see our conversation. Hi, how I can assist you. So it's all integrated. No setup required. Everything is taken care of. And you have your 24/7 running AI bot. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Considering you already like OpenClaw, I also create another video. Is a basic setup for beginners to go through, which I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.